Are you looking to live in a quiet, no-through road turning in the heart of the north side of Rainham? You want a social home which boasts many modern features and a lot of versatility for growing families and downsizers alike? Ladies and gentlemen, look no further than Lakefields Close. There's so many things to talk about when we're discussing Lakefields Close, but let's start with this wonderful breakfast island area. Perfect for entertainers. Electric hob, downdraft extractor, a range of integrated appliances including microwave, oven and warming drawer. This home is fully air conditioned. Some of the wonderful features include the LED strip lighting throughout. Perfect for modern family living. Welcome to your master bedroom. We have a walk-in wardrobe and an ensuite. Additionally, downstairs we have two further bedrooms which could be used as reception rooms along with a shower room WC. Now let me show you the garden. Finishing today's tour in your northwesterly facing rear garden, we've got the perfect porcelain patio, the artificial lawn. This garden looks great all year round. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Lakefields Close. It's not going to remain on the market for long. My name's Billy Gill, we are Balgores, and I look forward to seeing you here very soon.